Welcome back to As E Dey Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside obodo the world. Wazobia Max for UHF channel 57 and Wazobia TV on top of Go TV channel 98. As we do every Monday, we don't tear the nylon come out on top all of the action to the way happen for Nigeria over the weekend. And we they carry all this story, they drop them one by one, make you chook mouth inside. First and foremost, we start with the talk about Boko Haram Jaguda people. We can't emphasize them, say, based on the way things done they quarter to die. Sake of say, Gwoza town will be like their federal capital. The time when they claim, say they get Haramistan. We don't take over them and we don't hand over back to civil authority. This one is one of the important steps for people to they come back for inside Gwoza, come they live there. We also talk about the one when we say, person when we say we consider as elder statesman for this country, Chief Olu Falae. When he talks, say, waiting don't lost. Based on say the 100 million when they say collect from Oga Tony Anenih as it take concern the 2015 elections when SDP no get presidential candidate and contact say making support PDP for that one say follow. We also talk about the vandalization of pipeline when we say our JTF don't come at contact say if you know anybody when follow spoil things for there, make you just carry respect, identify this person. Say make it not be about say my brother or my sister, we won't protect them or won't do anything, go cover them, and make it be about the interest of this our obodo Nigeria. We also talk about the kerosene subsidy, the one when we say don't generate plenty discussion from our callers them. And the talk when we say John Kerry, United States Secretary of State talk, when he come and talk say, and the fight against corruption be something when we say all of us for this world, not be only Nigeria, must support them so that all the money we go collect, we go use them do things we go make people happy. Nkubi, kerosene subsidy. You know, you go talk about them, kerosene subsidy. If you no talk, Oga Boma from Bayelsa go talk. Oga Boma from Bayelsa, welcome to As E Dey Hot. Kerosene subsidy.
Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Boma.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Boma.
Chukwudi, I just want to remind you quickly for Bible say, David Nike Goliath, the attack where they attack that my brother there. He done it too much.
Oga Boma, thank you very much for quoting the Bible for him.
You dey quote Bible, give person when they even dey go church. Who be David? Who be David?
Oga Boma get something to talk.
Quick one, I want to tackle Oga Presido and Oga Governor for Bayelsa.
Okay.
Number one, Oga Presido, this one way don't first ban and pass my neighbor generator. Now they don't commot subsidy for kerosene. They tell all the poor people for this country to travel, go Benin Republic, go live. Because if kerosene now, like the way that I call it, it can reach 150, anybody feel said the way they like. How the poor man go take shop? For instance, people they Lagos and other developed city, firewood not kuku day. So if na village now go say bush, they may they go bring firewood. Firewood not the Lagos, firewood not the Port Harcourt. Firewood now for Port Harcourt, it costs past kerosene. Times they say many poor people die. I pass my neighbor way. Some people they use I pass my neighbor. They do public charging for phone. Where they say people don't get light. If people charge their phone, pay 20 naira some small thing. Now they pass my neighbor generator. The person won't go spend 50,000 to buy generator just to the charge people phone for 10 naira. You never do light, you don't buy generator. Now the Oga governor for Bayelsa will just win election again. So if they win election where all of us know I say winner, if they win election where he never pay salary for 8 months. So as they win, they come now. So now, I want to do. I don't the old people they go 1 year. Want see old people for 4 years. Oga Presido for that. You know they would do anything. People they further die for Bayelsa. Who they blow people? People full hospitals and they tell you so no money to pay. People they die every day for hospital, no salary. Before when salary, people not they complain. Bayelsa na grooving town. Before they say people they enjoy the jollificate. They say, but my brother, as me and you they talk. If you donate that suit to someone where they go save 3 lives for Bayelsa in 3 hours. So I know as I talk to people with the power, so they hear me. I don't know whether this country president not the fit tech governor say what do they do? Say pure, not pure. President will just day also rock. Anything that happen for any other state, not concern and not pure. I been on the airport so small like
Oga Boma, in fact, thank you very, very much for that contribution. The same way we don't reiterate here, say, and same way some of our callers don't reiterate on top of this kerosene matter. It just like say, sincerely, if you look at now be the major source of this way, the ordinary Nigerian they take do it in, they take leave their that is they cook their food. We get Christian they call us from Ibadan. Good morning, Christian. Christian, good morning. Christian, you there?
Oga Christian, I beg you no go vex. We hear say you don't dey on top of our phone line. They wait for us since. make no verse. Just try call us back so that the whole world go hear your contribution.
But sincerely, I still want go, this issue of subsidy, this issue of kerosene. For me, I for even appreciate if them place maybe a balance for the whole thing. Okay, they don't give the major this thing marketers. So okay, on a feed they sell at 83 naira. Okay, people will go sell to the consumers. You understand? I also believe say in the same way, make them put a particular fixed price. Make them not just try and open to person. Make people come they use due advantage. Come say, federal government don't give us because we as Nigerians self we get big guys somehow.
Very true. Make we collect this call from Oga Anthony. Oga Anthony they call us all the way from Alaba. Oga Anthony, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Anthony.
But I tell federal government about this issue of kerosene or thing.
Would they hear you, Anthony? Anthony, you did there?
I did there.
Right on. You don't finish. I still don't get more things to talk.
I said this about kerosene thing, no be small thing.
Okay.
I pull mouth. Poor man no go die for this nation, say who they use kerosene.
Okay.
My wood don't finish. Even charcoal self, we don't see and buy again.
Okay, thank you very much, Oga Anthony. Thank you for that contribution. Just like say waiting Nigeria.
Not be waiting, address waiting that they talk. Not be waiting that they waiting.
The majority of the callers waiting that they really
all of the callers, not majority. All of the callers.
Will you allow me to
address this issue of kerosene subsidy?
Will you allow me to
address it?
Will you allow me to
speak for the Nigerian people? Why you change mouth? Are we not speaking for Nigerians?
Chukwudi, will you allow me
why to? Government when they concerned about Nigerians? But they commot subsidy for kerosene.
So if Nigerians say they look now, they see as better person.
You say waiting.
They will see as better person.
I am speaking. Nkubi speak.
I'm also speaking.
Speaking what?
I am also speaking.
What are you speaking?
We get Sheun. Sheun they call us from Bagada. Good morning, Sheun.
Your mouth they will shake to call Sheun name.
Sheun, good morning. Sheun, you there?
Why you go there? Why you go there when they don't commot subsidy for kerosene? Why you go there?
Now subsidy, now kerosene take charging for.
But in there.
But there's a Sheun there.
The average Nigerian.
Call us back, I beg. We want to hear your own opinion on the issues that don't drop on ground.
You must speak out and tell Nigerians the truth. See, make I tell you, this matter is very, very clear.
Chukwudi.
No matter as government wants to try save money to use chook into anything, if whatever policy when government want implement go affect the people, PPPR they don't come and explain. Say the way when the thing they need to change the template. But what are you? Which kind of explanation be that? Even when oil price they fall, how many dollars they sell one barrel now? You know still reflect say the thing they fall down.
No. For me, this is see. No be say. I not say anything. I not say anything.
You know see. No be say. You know see. No be say. You can't talk now. Talk let Nigerians see.
Caller.
They will fire you today. Nigerians, fire him. This is him.
Good morning. Who they call us? Abeg, good morning.
Hello, good morning. My name is Patrick.
Okay, from Pt.2. Good morning. They hear you.
Yes, so Abeg, I want to talk for this kerosene matter.
Talk. Tell him. This is him.
Yes, so that's my friend wearing a blue suit.
Nkubi.
Try at all.
Thank you.
One. Now then tell us say for their campaign say if they come inside say go this kerosene to 15 naira, but they can't tell us say now 80 something naira now. Can't still tell us say others markets are still
go sell at their own prices.
Nigerian market sell 500.
Thank you.
Number two, when I not try make a city loan or something. Small down in our government go city loan say no buy rice 10 20,000 naira per bag. I will just wake up one morning increase something. We think it's easy like that. Another thing when I want to tell you to say, make your government they talk to some of these governments.
Our government, Oga Patrick.
Some of the Nigerian people they get like 10 children, 15 children. 8 months now they no pay salary. I think those people they go feel. They no try at all. They made the change. Maybe they do what they promise us. Maybe they do what they promise us. I beg.
Oga Patrick, I beg no verse. Just calm down.
They see the passion in your voice.
I know say the thing they pay you. Nkubi no even fit sit down straight again because Nigerians are calling you out. You even need to balance to sit down.
I look like
he's weighing you down on your shoulders.
I look like NNPC or do I look like the president?
Now you are denying, Abi. Now you are denying.
I will never for once deny.
Oga Joseph from Abuja will call and contribute.
I will never deny because
Oga Joseph, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot. Face him. This is him.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Joseph.
Oga Chukwudi, if you from Nkubi, I beg.
Thank you. They hear them.
Easy, I beg.
They don't beg on your behalf. Let me just take it easy with you.
Easy, small. I beg, I speak on behalf of what will happen for Bayelsa. That man, where they come from Bayelsa.
Yeah, okay.
Where they for Governor Dixon.
Oga Boma.
Sorry, Governor Disney. From Disney. Why in the talk say people they suffer for Disney? The election matter, APC no agree say the demand don't win. So, but looking at they ask the government, they have been making help at them, pay all those workers. Because everything will happen for Nigeria. Now we Thomas now need to suffer at them. I beg with the best, maybe help us talk to the federal government, maybe put chook mouth.
Okay.
Maybe pay those workers at them.
Okay. Okay, Joseph, thank you.
Yeah?
You still get another thing to contribute apart from that one?
I go talk about the kerosene matter. Now when they don't shut down the small apartment my neighbor, if you go buy for 50,000, if you come up 50,000 now, go buy this thing, go buy generator now, call the guy small phone. The kerosene what they even get for 50 naira now, they don't increase the money. So we don't know who change this one. I don't ask now which can change this one now. So they say the small kerosene they buy for 50 naira, they don't make it become 85 naira. I don't know how the poor ones, they don't know if you give the data it's 5 naira buy this thing. I beg, make the federal government may help us now. But the most in the suffer, they say now we do elephant find at the ground in the suffer. So now we now they suffer everything.
Thank you. We the grass. Me and Nigerians, the grass. Are you part of the elephant?
Oga Joseph, thank you very much.
Are you part of the elephant?
In fact, myself, I dey feel and no be so they feel.
What do they feel? You are an elephant. You don't hear what he talk. When two elephants fight, is the grass with the grass. Oga Alex from Ikoyi is also a grass. Oga Alex, welcome to As E Dey Hot. Speak for Nigerians, Nkubi. Speak for Nigerians. Oga Alex, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
See, we have to be wise when we are talking. You know the issue of kerosene. Ever since you have been buying this kerosene, even 150, 200, at times you buy 300 a liter. You don't even see to buy. But if government have come down to say, okay, NNPC says 83 naira, then it will be available for us to buy. Then if NNPC is saying 83 naira, and you see NNPC, if you like, you can go and buy 150 for X a year. It concerns you. But government is being wise in this situation. Whatever we do, we must not preserve government especially, but you should look at the long run of it. Not declaring government is insensitive, is that whatever government is, I think they are doing for our betterment. They are not against us, all I know. But let us pray. Whatever government is, God should give them power to continue what they are doing and to better the life of every Nigerian. Thank you.
But Oga Alex, quickly, I don't know whether I still there, but from 50 naira to let me say 83 naira, see the gap. And can also further stretch and say, okay, say minimum other marketers, say other people, if they sell at their own prices. Say that one they appropriate. You understand? And bear in mind, say people, the consumers of kerosene mostly are the ordinary Nigerians. When they use gas, when we say, well, at least gas they affordable. When they use gas, you understand? Now the ordinary Nigerians. So which kind of condition you want to place them? Because if at this stage in time they complain already, say things they high, you can't also add up to this one. Where they put their faith. So these are things we also need to, if our government do something, would they also, on behalf of other people, at least they talk, say, our government may also weigh this matter, so at least Nigerians go fit, at least make una weigh and make una balance them up, so that we don't go to feel them that much. We get Oga Okay from Calabar. Good morning, Oga Okay. Good morning, Oga Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga Okay.
Now, we don't know.
Thank you.
Straight to the kerosene matter. My brother, waiting I want ask this money. Question what I want ask this money be say, why be say what they get from our backyard? The day us hard to get. Why be say even people would even supply and sell and give, they sell and cheaper. They get them all the time. But our own here will find it difficult. Why is it so? Like our caller said, he said when two elephants are fighting,
now the grass
they suffer. Now the poor people, the masses, now then they feel them because, you know, one time he said these people at the top, say they even start waiting the kerosene to use and cook for their house. They know now, they know now. And here in town, maybe you are staying in a rented apartment, you cannot use firewood. Now kerosene or gas you go use. My brother, it's hard time for Nigerians to do that where they promise us. I mean, our leaders, that change, not changing of party. So that topical change what we need, because what I'm seeing now is just changing of party from PDP to APC. Nothing more. Thank you. God bless you now.
Okay, thank you
very much for this your important contribution. But the point when we say Oga Alex raised, they very, very cogent. I go speak English. Why? Because of say, like Oga Alex talk, make we know they critical of the government. We go to support the government, but we go to give advice so that if we see where government they do things where it be like say it go affect us negatively, we go talk. If we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with all of the action to do when happen for weekend. No go anywhere now. Still as it dey hot.
So for your mind,
you don't quiet, Abi.
No, for
you
your
don't
mind,
calm
you
down.
look into
Everybody,
Alex
only Oga Alex support you as of Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. From where we stand now the final bus stop, now we dey see. So we no go waste time. We'll collect this call from Oga Samaila. Oga Samaila, they call us all the way from Apapa. Oga Samaila, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning,
sir.
Oga Samaila.
Na Nkubi are doing wetin be them.
Nkubi, you get am Nkubi.
Why they fight Chukwudi?
No, na start am o.
I dey defend Nigerians over kerosene.
Me say they defend Nigerians.
He dey attack me because of kerosene.
Make Oga Samaila talk.
In fact, God bless you, Chukwudi.
Thank you.
Because this Boko Haram issue, in fact, the Mr. President said something that once he gets to office 3 weeks, he go finish them. This is what they tell us now quarter, they don't finish quarter. What Nigeria know about quarter? Nigeria don't know anything about quarter. Make them clear them if they want to clear them. Yesterday they bombed direct in Adamawa State. Where those ones they come, and the chief of army staff they come to tell us that people they fly with that they don't free them from forest, and people they fly with some explosives around. That means in Lagos we are not safe. Everybody can enter and bomb. Why they not go checkmate those where they fly with the explosives within them when they carry them for their body? Let them check that one. Not to say they go tell us that they don't do quarter. No, we don't know anything like quarter in this country. Secondly, that kerosene issue. I beg, tell these people, if they want to do good for Nigerians, maybe just give us kerosene. Somebody don't talk and say, people will be behind us, they sell and keep, they get them. We will get them. We know see them and they sell them exorbitant. I made them think twice now. And they know, say, we Nigerians, we want enjoyment too. No Nigerian want anything we go down. We don't want fight. We don't want anything. Enjoyment. See, for Papa come to Papa, you see how people they enjoy. But all these things, what do they do? They bring down kerosene today. Tomorrow they will tell us this, Boko Haram this and Boko Haram that. Please, just tell them, tell us the truth. Thank you.
Oga Samaila, thank you very much for this your important contribution. If you notice the passion when Nigerians they use they talk, you go know say everybody wants government to do wetin dey right for the people. Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Now good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
This kerosene matter, I just want to touch on more.
Feel free.
Many Nigerians know now say when our late president. What's his name?
Yaradua
don't commot subsidy for kerosene during his administration time. In the year so, he commot subsidy from kerosene during the administration time. The good luck because they input them back again. Why they say people not see the. If I remember the period where we say good luck administration said they put subsidy for kerosene, why did they sell kerosene for 150? You understand now? So people go complain, then they say, oh, they put subsidy, this, that, they can't reduce the price, come down again. You see also. So subsidy don't come up for kerosene long time ago. That be my own touch for that kerosene matter. Then we'll go to the money where we say John Kerry come and announce to the whole world. You know, $9 billion. You know what called $9 billion? That's to tell you, say, and good luck say there's no corruption in Nigeria again. So to tell you, say, yes, say, if we look to $9 billion for during good luck administration, then we'll look to other administrations inside that country. There's a thing say yesterday, there are more than $20 trillion they miss from Nigeria accounts. So we'll give this government some time. We do work. Nigeria now to exercise patience. That be the thing. We can't exercise patience. This man, this president is doing a heavy work to restore the image of Nigeria. Not be said inside, but for outside and inside. That this government they try to do. So we'll give the man a time to work and do things. Then Bayelsa State, now Bayelsa people then vote. When they do election again, now they vote the governor put again. So big they know say yes, now they use their own hand, they cause their own problem. They do election, they vote the former governor when they hold debt, when they hold their salary. So today say they don't want change. So be the take that one to their own hand. They be the one commot for power. So that's my contribution for the day.
Thank you very much, Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam. Your passion for this country and the way they contribute to all these issues, the thing they make our belly sweet. That's why we talk say for this country, make everybody they participate and make we stop to the sit down look. Nkubi, what we go try do now quickly? Make we just take these stories one by one, just talk about them because at the end of the day, on top of As E Dey Hot, we they try and emphasize say, now waiting go better for all of us. Now be the most important thing. But before we start that one, make we take Oga Christian. Oga Christian, don't call us back all the way from Ibadan. Oga Christian, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
How you doing?
Good morning, Christian.
I don't know. Nkubi. How you doing?
Are they fine?
Okay. My contribution is that our Presido, we believe in him well, and he promised us many things. But they say make we wait. We still dey wait, so we no go run away for this country. We just dey wait. But one thing with me I want talk, we say this kerosene way that they say they remove subsidy where they don't remove since. On Saturday I buy kerosene 115 for inside filling station.
For Ibadan?
For Ibadan. And today now, as they say that they talk say they don't remove subsidy now. Who go fish and that amount to buy again now for filling station? And then we dey for Abuja, where we are Agbada, where we wear suit, where we wear everything. They know they use kerosene. They know they use them, now we they use them. I pass my neighbor generator, now we they use them. Then ban them. Okay.
Oga Christian, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We really appreciate them. We really appreciate them. Thank you very much for your important contribution. Nkubi, you go hear from what everybody they talk. Say, we believe in the government and the try when the government won't try to revive our economy because the people who don't chop this country money and they put us for the level we dey today. But then again, as we believe in this government, anything when the government they do to try to revive the economy, make them think of the people first. Because if you want to revive the economy and the people come there at the receiving end at the end of the day, while I don't dey, economy bad, person they buy kerosene 1 liter over 100 and something naira. From 15 naira when it's in on day, they don't increase them. We know say from the money when they will get from this subsidy when they put inside, they want use them do other things. But we must ensure say we don't make the people suffer. Remember say minimum wage now 18,000 naira. So any government when they take any action, even though the people support that government, must also they consider the people. Simple and short.
Basically, you don't talk and finish because if we also look, just as we talk, most of our callers today. Okay, but before I go talk with now talk, we get one other caller. The people say we don't lose that, we don't lose them. And just as I talk, most of our callers, waiting then talk about today now, basically waiting affects them. And then if you also look at other issues we will also put down, nobody say they too show interest. But that way, where we say if they somehow attached to the ordinary Nigerian, now people always they talk about, and then now you come with the removal of subsidy on top of kerosene. I all believe say our government. They hear us, and they hear Nigerians we don't call. Because if we go just as Chukwudi talk, if they consider to say one bringing change or one bringing certain implement certain things inside government, make first they do it and consider the people first. Because it just like make also look at a lot of the things where they outline now, like the generator thing, in the such way say light no day, then they come and say okay generator importation of all the small generator say they will stop them. Just like now, the people, the ordinary people, they are the receiving end. We also bring the kerosene matter. Just like the majority of people, they use kerosene. Now, the ordinary Nigerians, you understand? So this, all these things needs to be weighed, make we feel balance them. So that at least, if now they make ensure that they increase something, but make Nigerians as well, people now they try ensure that they increase that thing for, also see reasons and also feel somehow make everything just balance. Now, be the whole essence of governance. Not be just to say, okay, may I increase. Anything will happen, make it happen. It does not work that way. We know say under Obonga matter go day for us to talk about tomorrow will be Tuesday. I know Chukwudi. We're not getting that thing we want to talk about.
Very true. But we could just try emphasize, tell our people when they for us say every story when we they carry come, now story when we say they affect us as Nigerians, and at the end of the day, everything we must do must to stand from the Nigerian standpoint. What do they talk? We say we support our government. We believe say the government will do everything to ensure say security in this country, peace in this country, our economy tanda gidigba. But make government also consider the Nigerian people, and we as a people go beat our chest proudly talk say we be Nigerians and we support our government. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke, when we go discuss them where our people when call us, we appreciate you now. Those when watch, we appreciate you now. And all those when join the talk to fire Nkubi, let them know say it is basically about Nigerians. I thank you very, very much.
We had a reach.
But they fired you, not about reach. Only Oga Alex supported you. Are you trying to defend yourself?
If you just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.